Welcome to Code Symphony, Unraveling the Code Mysteries, where we decode the world of web development, one episode at a time. I am your host Burhanuddin, and today we are diving deep into one of the most common dilemmas front-end developers face, choosing the right CSS preprocessor. Specifically, we will be comparing SASS and LESS, two giants in the world of CSS preprocessing, to help you make an informed decision for your next project. Whether you are new to preprocessors or just looking to fine-tune your workflow, this episode is for you. So grab your coffee and let's get into the code. So, what really are CSS preprocessors? Before we get into the battle of SASS versus LESS, let's clarify what CSS preprocessors actually do. A CSS preprocessor is a tool that extends CSS capabilities, allowing you to write more flexible, maintainable, and powerful code. It introduces variables, nesting, and mix-ins, which help streamline your style sheet. Essentially, preprocessors add programming logic to CSS, making it more dynamic and organized. Now that we know what they are, let's explore the two major players, SASS and LESS. SASS, or Synthetically Awesome Style Sheet, is one of the most popular CSS preprocessor. It was developed in 2006, and since then, it has become a go-to tool for many developers. It uses two syntaxes, SCSS and intended syntax, giving you the flexibility to choose between more traditional CSS-like syntax or a white space dependent syntax. SASS offers a rich set of features like variables, mix-ins, inheritance, and control directives. Plus, it works well with large-scale projects due to its modular nature, which helps in organizing your code. LESS, on the other hand, is another popular preprocessor that shares many similarities with SASS. It was developed in 2009 and was initially designed to work seamlessly with JavaScript. LESS offers variables, nesting, and mix-ins, but it often praised for its simplicity and ease of use. It's important to note that LESS syntax is closer to vanilla CSS, which means you will have an easier time adapting to it if you are already familiar with writing standard CSS. Now let's talk about the key differences between SASS and LESS. While both SASS and LESS aim to solve the same problem, there are significant differences that may influence your choice. Let's go over a few key areas. First, syntax flexibility. SASS provides two syntaxes, SCSS and intended, while LESS offers a single syntax that closely resembles regular CSS. If you prefer syntax flexibility, SASS might be your better choice. Second, feature set. SASS has broader feature set, including things like loops, conditionals, and extensive modularity options. LESS is simpler and doesn't offer some of these advanced features. Third, community and ecosystem. SASS has more active community, extensive documentation, and numerous third-party extensions. LESS is still well maintained, but SASS ecosystem is much larger. Fourth, integration. SASS LESS integrates particularly With JavaScript-based environment like Node.js, SASS has broader range of integrations, including Ruby on Rails and modern JavaScript frameworks. So, when to use SASS? You should consider using SASS if you are working on a large-scale project that requires robust modularization. Then, if you want advanced features like loops, conditionals, or more complex mixins, you should also use SASS if you are looking for more flexibility in syntax. SASS is often favored in large complex projects where maintainability and scalability are key concerns. Its features allow for highly structured and maintainable style sheet, which are essential for large teams working on enterprise-level applications. On the flip side, LESS may be your better option if you prefer a simpler and CSS-like style syntax. If you are working within a JavaScript-heavy environment like Node.js and your project doesn't require advanced features like those offered by SASS, LESS is great for smaller projects or teams that are already using JavaScript-based workflows. Its simplicity makes it easy to learn and quick to implement. So, which one should you choose? Ultimately, it depends on your project size, complexity, and your personal preference. If you are building a large-scale application with complex requirements, SASS might be the better choice due to its rich feature set and strong community support. However, if you are working on a smaller project or prefer simpler syntax, LESS could serve you just as well. Either way, both preprocessors will help you write better and more maintainable CSS. That wraps up today's episode of Code Symphony, Unraveling the Code Mysteries. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of SASS and LESS and how to choose the best one for your next project. Whether you go with SASS or LESS, the important thing is to leverage the power of preprocessors to write cleaner and more efficient CSS. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep coding and keep creating.